Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome to my channel. If today is the first time I'm watching my video, please like and subscribe to my channel to keep me, to boost me, to support me. Thank you. Today I'm discussing about shaft. This is shaft. I want to discuss on how to fix shaft, how to the component, shaft, hub, camber, how to fix them. Before you can fix a car suspension, what are the main things to fix? And you see this one now, I've loosened the hub. I changed ball joint, I changed the down ball joint, I changed the upper ball joint also. Before you can do that, you have to remove this shaft. So now after doing that, now I want to fix everything. Now this is the hub. I've loosened the hub, I've tested the hub. The hub is okay. I'm about fixing now. This is the ball joint. Have you seen it? That one ball joint on the downside. This tie rod. I want to show you everything. This is this. I'm still tightening the shaft. See the shaft now. I've not finished tightening it. This is brake discs. Those are the components. This brake disc. This is the brake disc. This brake disc is not all that good. This brake disc is not all that good. You see, that scrape. When somebody has is like this, when you drive, you'll be hearing vibration. You see, when you hold brake, it will vibrate. But this other side is little bit good. This other side is good. Have you seen it? This side is okay. This side is okay. The H is not much here. But what can cause this thing now? If your brake parts finishes and it drive iron to iron, then it will affect the brake discs. Like that, like this side. Have you seen how it's bad? This is the upper ball joint. This is the upper, the bushings. The bushings are okay. The bushings are okay. This is the ball joint. It's a new one. I've fixed the ball joint there. Please subscribe to my channel. If today is the first time of watching my video, subscribe, please. Thank you. This is the ball joint. This adjuster, this one that you have seen is the one that is holding upper ball joint, and it's useful to align the tire. This particular one that you are seeing, very important. If you do not fix it well, your car will be wobbling, even though as you finish it you could not drive. About to fix the ball joint now. Watch this video to the end so that you understand how to do this. I fix the hub ball joint. I fix the ball joint, fix the hub. Right now I'm about this upper ball joint. I'm holding upper camber. When you fix that one, the work is going successfully. The work is going successfully, gradually. You see how hard it is to enter, because rust has finished everything. Before I could remove this shaft, it took me more than 1 hour, because it has been rusted. Rust has finished everything. I apply oil, apply hydraulic, I apply everything. The thing could not soften it to remove. This is the adjuster. That's how to set it. You must know how to set it, else your car tire will just finish in less than few days. Thanks for watching my video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. In the subsequent video, I will show you how to fix the work in progress and everything. Thank you for watching.